Hey everyone, I'm going to show you what to do if your YouTube TV is not working. So for example, if you go to the YouTube TV and it shows you this error or any of the error related to your internet connection. So the first thing you should check is your Wi-Fi and your Wi-Fi settings. So if your Wi-Fi is connected or not connected, so you should see that if it is connected to your home Wi-Fi or not. So first thing you should see is that after changing your Wi-Fi, you should refresh it. So if it starts working, then the issue was your Wi-Fi. But if you are connected to the right Wi-Fi, you can always go to another tab and go to fast.com. This is where you can test out your internet speed. So you should test out your internet if it is working correctly, or open different websites and see if they are working correctly or not. So if that is also working and your internet and your YouTube TV is still not working, what you can do is you can go to the Chrome top right behind the address bar. There is this icon. You can click here. In here you can go to cookies and site data, and you can go to manage on device site data, and you can remove these cookies, all of these cookies, and then you can refresh your YouTube TV and you can sign in. This should resolve your problem. And if your YouTube TV is still not working and it is still not loading or playing any videos, then another thing that you can do is you can simply go to this on the top right corner, this question mark icon, and you can contact the YouTube TV support to help you out and troubleshoot that what is wrong with the YouTube TV. You can type in what do you need help with, and you can type in the issue that you're facing, and then you can contact the YouTube TV support. So I hope this was helpful and this resolved your problem. Thank you so much for watching.